Gotta let me hit record first. He has to counteract the weight of his beer. Look at that. Slowly drink it because it's throwing off his weight. He's got to get the weight distribution back to the center of his bladder. If he falls, it's going to be at least a 30. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I know, I thought you were just walking faster or something all of a sudden. I can't believe it. Oh, Shanna.